What's up guys, how you guys doing? So I'm back. I'm going to show you how I get my hair from frizzy to dead straight. I've been seeing quite a lot of Instagram posts on dead straight hair, so I thought I'd emulate that. So I've got this lifeless wig that I recently washed, and I'm going to start off by defining the part using Pantene's mousse, so it's for fine hair, and what that's going to help me do is just create some texture and just make it wet, so I'm able to define a part basically. So I'm going to apply that all over to where I want, so my lace closure bit, and then I'm going to start playing with the part I fancy using my comb. The great thing about this mousse is it dries very well and it dries quite silky, so I'm not worried about it sort of hardening my hair, so to speak. Okay, so once I'm done and once I'm satisfied with the part, I'm going to start sectioning off my hair into just sections pretty much. I'm going to start off from the back and I'm going to apply this heating protector by Wella, which is supposedly the best heating protector out there because it doesn't stick and it smells gorgeous. I can definitely testify to that because I love using this heating protector. I love the way it protects the hair cuticles. Here I'm also using the straighteners by Remmington, and it also has keratin in it, so that's double protection. And it does straighten hair quite well. So you can see I'm just going back and forth repeatedly till I get the straightness I desire pretty much. And then I'm going to go all over my head. I'm going to start sectioning from the front and then start straightening. So in terms of the wig, because I like my hair dead straight and I wanted it to be quite I'd say scanty rather than full, I've only used one pack of hair and I've used a closure, so hence why it looks there's less volume basically. So I'm just going to straighten again till I'm happy with how well it's turned out basically, and you could do the same. So once I'm done straightening, I'm also going to repeat this in the other section of the hair. And then I'm going to try and curve the other section in because it's a lot shorter than the longer section. And then once I'm done straightening and I'm happy with the result, I'm going to start again molding the part into how I would like it to look like basically. I'm going to apply some more mousse again because I feel it looks funny at this point. And then I'm going to section. I've applied some oil sheen to my hands. You don't want to put it directly on your hair because you want to avoid too much grease. So I've just applied it to my hands and then just rubbed it all over my hair so it gives it some shine. Again, because I'm a bit of I just want things to look good. So I'm just going to go over my straighteners again so it's nice and straight. And yeah. I'm super happy with the results, and I'm glad I've been able to bring this wig back to life, so I'll be wearing it everywhere. I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Take care.